In this lesson, we'll explore how to use the C# SDK. First, launch the XINGYING software. Click the button to open the data casting pane. Here, select the NIC address. There are two options available. We'll choose 10.1.1.198. Now, proceed to load the data. You can also connect a camera for live mode playback. K-file. This is the SDK manual. It provides a detailed description of the SDK. Look for the bin file and samples file. Double-click the bin folder. You will see files for both 64-bit and 32-bit. Select the 64-bit file. Double-click the samples EAC file. Enter the IP address here. This IP address should match the network card address in our XINGYING software. Press Enter. You will see descriptive information appear. It lists the name of the marker set, ID and name of each marker point, name of the rigid body, methods to retrieve the data, including callback method, active reading method. Choose one method here. Now we are ready to capture the motion data. Let's begin capturing the motion data. Pause the XINGYING software to analyze. Let's examine the captured data. Motion capture data for each frame begins here. It includes the corresponding frame number and timestamp, the number of marker sets included in the frame, marker set ID, and the count of marker sets included. Marker point ID and its corresponding X, Y, and Z. Position coordinates. Number of rigid bodies and their corresponding X, Y, Z position coordinates. Quaternion information of QX, QZ, QW, along with their corresponding IDs. The count of marker points within each rigid body, the IDs of these marker points and their XYZ coordinates. Number of skeletons, currently 0 since none have been loaded. Number of unnamed marker points, IDs of these unnamed marker points, and their XYZ position coordinates. Number of analog channels,